Now let's hear this car's sound. So yeah, let's rev it. Interior sound. That was 2000. I don't really believe that. But now let's try and rev it up to red line. That was only 3000 RPM. Okay, let's hear it front because turbo's in the front. Okay, so let's do it. I only hear it back more than the front. Again. So by my instinct, I think the car revved to 2000, 3000 RPM. I didn't look at the RPM gauge when I'm revving it. So yeah, I think it's like that. So now let's pop the hood, and at the same time, we're gonna rev this car again to hear the turbo sound far more better. Right here, the left side. Alright, let's open it. Wow, that power.